Sergeant Walker. We got a report. I'm gonna have to ask you to hold it right there. You know the drill?
Why am I being arrested?
Well, you ain't exactly being arrested just yet, but we're getting there. You mind if we, search your residence?
You got a warrant?
Warrant? Now, why would I need a warrant? I just asked you nicely if we could search your residence, and you just said yes. Clear as day, and these fine officers all heard you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Put your hands on the car. It's procedure, you know that.
Yeah, just like a legal search?
Dude, believe me, you don't want to give him an excuse.
Well, it looks like I got you now, convict. Felon in possession of a firearm, that's 5 years mandatory.
You planted that gun.
What'd you say, you piece of shit? I ain't got to plant no gun to get rid of your black ass. You done lost your manners, boy. Hold his ass. Ooh. Oh, fuck! I said hold his ass still!
No. He's cuffed.